Hi cake lovers! So it's another day to learn something new. Can you do this? Let's try it. Nuts and oats cookies without sugar. So I love to bake my cookies a lot of times with oats, and I have my roasted nuts, cashew nuts, almond nuts, granules, and as well my shredded coconut that I dried properly. So in a mixing bowl, make sure to measure your half cup of butter, honey, half cup as well, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and combine properly. So this is just a practical manual method. There's no using mixer here. So after combining all ingredients in that bowl for like 5 minutes, ensure that you measure your flour properly with your baking powder and baking soda in that bowl. Sift properly and then combine. After it's all combined, add your nuts, your coconuts as well, and then combine them properly. Now this oats is very nutritious. It has no sugar. That's the amazing part, and it can be taken any time of the day. So I make sure to seed my oats because of some stuff that I don't want to see in my cookie. Yes, so combine all together. It's going to be really messy on your palm, but I make sure I use a clean glove. Roll into your palm with a teaspoon and onto your baking tray and bake for like 15 to 20 minutes. If you want it really dry, you can go further than that. So see how it looks, really delicious. So I packed mine in a burger plate for sale, and it can be taken with tea for breakfast or at the office. Thank you for watching.